These indicators will guide you in the darkness. So today you will learn very exciting indicators on Tradingview.com. Shall we start? All of the indicators in the market will guide you how you can trade better. They will not teach you how you can trade, but they will light you in the darkness. So today I will show you two different indicators and we will combine them together to get ultimate power of these indicators. And we will be using Tradingview.com. Let's start with first indicator. Let's go to indicators tab and search for one-sided Gaussian and you will see indicator from loxx. Click at your chart. As you see that this indicator is not so famous, but this has a lot of capabilities and you will see that very soon. After you add the indicator, you will see something like this. And now we are trading S&P 500 and this is the chart of 15-minute time frame. But this indicator works very well on 5 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day. You can use these time frames, but I do not recommend lower time frames like 1 minute. Please avoid them. If you would like to use it, you can go and backtest before you do that. If you want to backtest this strategy or any strategy you like, I am strongly suggest you use TraderEdge. That is my favorite backtesting platform in the market. It's a great platform to test all your trading strategies easy like 3 to 1. TraderEdge offers 7-day free trial and if you sign up now with the link in the description, you will get $470 worth of trading course and backtesting guide content for free. So now let's check the settings of one-sided Gaussian indicator and I will show you the best inputs that I have figured out until that day. What I can suggest you is use this level depth of 10 and change extra smoothing to 28 and ATR period to 21 and ATR multiplier is 0.628. So all of these settings will be same. You can close the show signals checkbox, but for the demonstration purposes I will leave it on. This is the final thing in this indicator. Using this very easy. When you see red bar, you will short, right? And when you see the green, you will long. And this indicator also change the bar's color so that you will understand whether you will go long or short. It will make your life easier. But there is a problem with the using one indicator only. I always say that you need at least two indicators. One is for the signal, one is for the confirmation. This will be the perfect setup for you. And now we will add our second indicator so that we will be on more safe side and we will get more accurate entry. So the second indicator is squeeze momentum indicator from lazybear. As you see that this is one of the most famous indicator in Tradingview.com. Click at your chart and you will see something like this. How this indicator works. These are the histograms. If it is above the 0, it's bullish. If it is below the 0, it's bearish. So if the color is green, of course it's bearish, and if it is the dark green, it says that it's becoming less bullish. It's very important, and it is the exact same for the bearish side zone colors. If it is bright red, it's bearish, and if it is less bright, it is less bearish. Easy like that. Let's see how we will trade with this indicator. I will show you very specific things that you should note, and these are very secret sauce of this setup. So let's dive in. When you see this red zone, it's sell, right? And you will go down and you will confirm with squeeze momentum. You can enter short position, right? But what about the false signals and what about the ranging markets? What you will do? Here there is a ranging market and we hate ranging markets, right? Why? Because you get this feeling that market will go up, but suddenly it changes its mind. You see, it goes down. So how we will avoid them is simple. Do not trade with the low volume. You see, this is a volume indicator, it's 100% free. And when you see this low volume, get out of the table. Only trade when there is a volume, which means in the market opening time. And you see that before the launch hour, there is a huge spike in the volume and there is a spike in the power hour. Please choose this time to trade. It will really increase your accuracy and your win rate. Trust me. So avoid these hours to use this setup. My personal suggestion is do not use any indicator with the low volume because you will get trapped in any ways. This formula will increase your win rate. Believe me, this is a $1 million suggestion. So let's continue. This is the opening hour, right? So we got the sell signal here. We will go down and confirm with squeeze momentum indicator. Double confirmation. It's perfect. So let's take a look at another example. This is before the market opens. You see that it's 6 a.m. It's like coming, volume is rising. You see that volume is now started to go up. It's nearly 7 a.m. What you will do is you will check the indicator. It's the green bar. Squeeze momentum is green and you can enter long position with that signal. So the question is when you should leave your position. Answer is simple. When you see there is a color change in squeeze momentum, please consider going out or taking some partials from your position. And as the price goes like this, you can put your stop loss to the break even. What I mean by that, let's say that you have entered this position here, right? What I can say you is after price come to that place, you can put your stop loss here. In any scenario, you will make money because your stop loss is in your profit zone. This is how you will use this trading strategy. This is why I call this ultimate trading with strategy. It will guide you in the dark. Well, that was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching those videos, and before you leave, hit that like and subscribe to my channel. Until the next time, see you soon.